Good morning everyone, I just finished my studying session, my study stream for today. It's now 8:52 a.m. I kept on improving my proofwriting skills with this book here. I find it quite nice. It's not a long book, as you can see it's rather short, but there are very good advice for in this book is very good advice for writing clean proofs, good readable proofs, easy to read proofs, mathematical proofs, and that's great because sometimes when I write some proofs for linear algebra or some other stuff, I struggle with keeping it clean, and you have to read it again and again to kind of understand what I was trying to convey here. So I believe this book will help you pretty good with that. But anyways, I now have about an hour, a bit less, till my classes start at uni, so I have to get going. I'm gonna get dressed because I can't go to uni in this here hamster shirt. Also, even though I find it quite nice, I got it as a birthday gift from a friend of mine. He likes to give me these awesome shirts to my birthdays. I don't know why, but it's awesome. So yeah, let me take you with me on my uni day, and let's just keep going. Today is very important because I have a citing of an exam I have written last semester, so I'm trying to get some extra points back from the correction and get my grade up, but I don't believe I have good chances because I would have to get 3 whole points, and that's a bit much for a normal citing. It happens sometimes, but it's pretty tough, so I'm anyways eager to see which mistakes I made. And I also have to help my friend here because my friend failed the exam, and by 1 point, not even 1 point, by half a point, because in this exam your your points get rounded up. So let's just pray that we will find half a point for my guy so he can pass the exam. Even though with a bad grade, but it's better to pass this exam than to have to retake it. Or in his case, he can't even retake it. He will have to go to the oral exam because it's his second try. We only have 2 tries in our university, so we must find this half point. So yeah. But first, let's just go to uni. I have concrete analysis class, and later in the day, algorithmic class. So let's get going. Alright guys, just arrived at campus. Make my way to the lecture room. I haven't had a lecture in this lecture room till now, only an exam. 2 exams. The first exam I failed, I had to retake it. But it's so ugly, it's atrocious, man, really. I'm gonna show it to you in a sec. Just have to catch up with a classmate. Alright, lecture just finished. I'm not going to study and recap the lecture of this day and from Monday because I haven't done that yet. Recapping all the lecture 1, lecture 2 shouldn't take too long because it's just the start of the module, so it's not that much. It's just not that much, to be honest. But it should take me about, I don't know, 2 to 3 hours to really deeply understand it all, so I have to take my time with that. And then when I'm done with that, I'm going to study my Anki cards, and later on in the day I have my second lecture going to be algorithmics. I'm looking very much forward to that because it's computer sciencey and not only mathematics, because I'm a computer scientist, not a mathematician, although it's almost the same. at least that's what university says. But yeah, I'm pretty much looking forward to this. I just came back from eating at a cafeteria, met up with a few of my friends,
and now I'm headed to my second lecture and last lecture of the day. It's, as said before, algorithmics. I'm very much looking forward to it because it's something new. Okay, the past semester I only did mathematics, only mathematics, man. That's why I'm just happy to have something else. Yeah, and I won't be alone this time because 4 of my friends also take this course, this module with me. So I know that you don't talk or do something very fun during class, but it's better to have some friends with you in class. I mean, you all know that. Yeah, so I'm very much looking forward to that. And afterwards, I finally have my exam sighting. I'm a little bit afraid of how many mistakes I've made and to see what mistakes I've made, because as always I know it's just some kind of stupid mistake. I just know that most of the times it's just a stupid mistake, which all in all together add up to a whole grade, and that's very unsatisfying. But you have to go through it. Maybe I can find some points and can get my grade up, but I don't think so. And the most important thing is that I have to help my friend, to pass, because he's lacking a half a point, 1 or half a point. It depends on the exercise, but he only needs in general half a point to pass this exam, and he really has to pass this exam because this was his second try. We only have 2 tries, and after that we have to take an oral exam, and he really does not like to take the oral exam over half a point. So that's that. I hope that I can help him in this matter. Yeah, but now let's just head in and go to the algorithmic class.
Klimapolitik mit Kraftverhältnern steuern wir auf eine Erderwärmung von 3,2 Grad bis zum Jahr 2100.
Ich weiß gar nicht, ich glaube, das ist safe mit dem aufgeklärt. Da saß er ganz entspannt, hockt sich hin.
I just got out from the exam sighting, and I have to say I haven't found anything for myself, but my guy, my friend, he made it, he's through. That's quite nice. He doesn't have to take the oral exam. It's unbelievable. Man, I can't describe how I'm feeling right now, for real. I'm even happier than last semester when I had this kind of similar situation to my friend. But I'm even happier for him than I was for myself back then, man. It's weird. It's kind of weird, but yeah, I'm through. That's it for uni for today. Now just heading home, chilling a short bit, and then heading to the gym, getting a good workout in, and yeah, I don't know, reading something afterwards. We'll see. Yeah, see you guys.